Catch that rhythm? That's the sound of a jerk beat, a rhythmic pulse that's been taking the music world by storm. Today, we'll be exploring how you can create your very own jerk beat. It's simpler than you might think if you follow a few easy steps. First, you need to understand the backbone of a jerk beat, the drum pattern. A jerk beat typically consists of a kick, snare, and hi-hat pattern that's punchy and syncopated. Start by laying down a kick drum on the first and third beats of a 4-beat bar. Next, add a snare drum on the second and fourth beats. This creates a strong, steady rhythm to drive your beat. Now, spice things up with some hi-hats. Scatter them throughout the bar to add texture and complexity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different patterns and rhythms. The secret to a great jerk beat lies in the hi-hat, so take your time to get it just right. Next, we move on to the melody. Jerk beats are known for their catchy, bouncy melodies. You can use any instrument you like, but synths and keyboards are the most common. Aim for a melody that's simple, repetitive, and easy to dance to. Remember, less is often more when it comes to jerk beats. Once you've got your melody, it's time to add some bass. The bass line in a jerk beat is crucial. It adds depth and warmth to your beat and helps to glue everything together. Keep your bass line simple and syncopated, following the rhythm of the kick and snare. Finally, add some effects. Reverb and delay can help to give your beat a sense of space and depth, but be careful not to overdo it. You want your beat to sound clean and punchy, not muddy and washed out. So, to recap, creating a jerk beat involves 5 key steps. 1. Lay down a kick and snare pattern. 2. Add some hi-hats to create texture and complexity. 3. Create a catchy, bouncy melody. 4. Add a simple, syncopated bass line. And 5. Add some effects to give your beat depth and space. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and experiment. Jerk beats are all about energy and movement, so don't be afraid to try something new. Whether you're a seasoned beat maker or just starting out, creating a jerk beat is a fun and rewarding way to express your creativity. So, why wait? Start making your own jerk beat today.